Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to learn about to, in order to, and so that. Before we start our lesson today, let's pray first. Okay, thank you. To, in order to, and so that itu gunanya untuk menyatakan maksud atau tujuan. To artinya untuk, in order to artinya supaya, so that artinya sehingga. Okay, now we discuss one by one. The first is to. To dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya untuk. To ini anak-anak diikuti oleh kata kerja pertama, to plus verb one. To plus verb one. For example, to study, to speak English, to get some money, to get good mark. Not to speaking, not to working, not to getting good mark. Jadi to verb one tanpa ing. For example, I go to school to study. Saya pergi ke sekolah untuk belajar. She comes to my house to borrow a novel. Dia datang ke rumahku untuk meminjam novel. Okay, now we continue to the second point, that is in order to. It means supaya. Jadi in order to itu artinya supaya. In order to itu juga diikuti oleh kata kerja bentuk pertama. For example, in order to pass the exam, supaya lulus ujian. In order to get good mark, supaya mendapatkan nilai bagus. Okay, now please look at the example. A, I am studying hard in order to pass the exam. Saya belajar giat supaya lulus ujian. B, he studies really hard in order to get good mark. Dia belajar giat supaya mendapatkan nilai bagus. Okay. Now next is in order not to, artinya supaya tidak. In order not to ini juga diikuti oleh kata kerja bentuk pertama. For example, A, I am going to Australia in order not to forget my English. Saya pergi ke Australia supaya tidak lupa bahasa Inggris saya. B, I have a breakfast in order not to be hungry. Saya makan pagi supaya tidak lapar. Okay. Now we go to the so that. Ya, so that in bahasa Indonesia means sehingga. So that ini anak-anak diikuti oleh clause atau anak kalimat. Jadi setelah so that itu ada subject, kemudian ada models. Models itu bisa can, will atau may. Kemudian ada kata kerja, kemudian ada objek. Now please look at the example. A, I waited for an hour so that I could meet him. Saya menunggu selama 1 jam sehingga saya dapat bertemu dengan dia. So that I subject, good models, meet kata kerja, him object. B, she save money every month so that she can buy a new car. Dia menabung uang setiap bulan sehingga dia dapat membeli mobil baru. So that diikuti oleh anak kalimat, di situ ada subjeknya yaitu she, can models, by predikat, new car object. Okay, I think it is enough for today. If you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.